Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll discuss how to encode and decode QR code in C# application. For that, let's create new project. Here, select Windows Desktop. Here, select Windows Forms application. Your application name will be QR code. Click OK. Here, expand the screen. Okay, here I need picture box. Then I need label. Text box. Then button. Just copy this. Okay, label name will be encode. Second label will be decode. Okay, this text box name will be text encode, and then second text box text decode, and then this button name will be btn encode, button text encode. Then second button will be decode, button name btn decode. Okay, let's install NuGet package for this QR code project. Go to Tools menu. Here select NuGet Package Manager console. Use this command to install this package messaging toolkit.qr code. Hit enter. It successfully installed this package. Okay, now double click this encode button. Inside this we will write code using here. In encode we are generating a QR code and saved into some particular location. In decode option we will open the QR code file, and then the image will displayed in this picture box, and then text will displayed in this text box. Okay, like that we will do now. Before that I will add some properties for this picture box. Change picture box, then back color will be window, then border style fixed 3D. Okay, save this and go back to the code here using save file dialog object sfd equals new save file dialog. Then we will filter file name of file jpg format. Then we have one more parameter, validate names equals true. Then if save file dialog object sfd dot show dialog equals dialog result dot okay. Your messaging toolkit dot qr code dot codec dot qr code encoder it object encoder equals new Okay, just close this. Encoder dot QR code scale. It will be a number only. It controls the scale used to create the image. Okay, next we will create bitmap BMP object equals encoder dot encode the text encode text. Okay, then picture box dot image will be this bitmap object BMP, then BMP dot save. Inside this save file dialog object, and then file name, comma, then we will save the image format dot jpg. Need to add namespace for this image format. Okay, then add the format jpg. Okay. Okay, save this, and now we will write code for decode. We are using open file dialog object will be OFD equals new open file dialog. Then inside this flower bracket filter file equal to within a double quote jpeg. Its type asterisk dot jpeg. Okay, then validate names equal to true. Then we need one more option, multi select will be false. When opening the file, we can open only single file, we can't select multiple files. Okay, that's why inside this if OFD dot show dialog equals dialog result. Okay, sorry, dialog result dot okay. Inside this picture box we will load the QR image in picture box. First image dot from file, okay, OFD dot file name. Second line messaging toolkit dot QR code. Then QR code decoder will create decoder object decoder equals new QR code decoder object. Okay, now we'll display the text QR code text in that QR text decode. Okay, for that equals decoder object decode. Inside this new QR code bitmap image needs to add namespace for this. It will be QR code codec data. Inside this picture box dot image as bitmap. Okay, it's finished. Let me explain this. In button encode we are doing like this. We will it will show the save file dialog. If we click OK means first we are creating encoder object of QR code encoder. Then QR code scale is 8. It controls the scale of the image. Okay, then we are creating bitmap object BMP. Here encoding the text name from this text encode. Okay, then image from picture box image. We are saving the bitmap QR code image with the file format JPEG. In decode option, when we are opening the QR code image, that image should load into picture box. Then we are creating decoder where object of QR code decoder. Then we are displaying the QR code image text in this text box. Okay, let's start run the application. Yeah, first save hello world. Okay, click encode button. Here we have the save dialog option. I'm going to save this file in my desktop with the name QR code. Click on save button. Now it's generated QR code. Okay. Now click this decode button. Here we will open this QR code image from desktop. Here we have the hello world text which we have saved in previous encode button. Okay. Okay, let me stop the execution. I will run the application again. Click on decode button. We saved the QR code image in desktop. Okay, open that. Okay, here we have the image and the text. Okay guys, this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for listening.